In this video, we'll see together when to use the tenses in French and more precisely, le présent de l'impératif. Le présent de l'impératif. So it's quite interesting because we will see that we can use it in many situations. The first thing will be, well, it will be used to express an order, a command, a request, or a demand. So that's the classical maybe way that we visualize this imperative form to give an order. But then you need to remember also that le présent de l'impératif in French can be also used to express a requirement, a supplication, or an invitation, or an advice. So this is quite important. So you can see that clearly in that case, I mean, it's quite different. And then the last possibility for the use of le présent de l'impératif, it will be to use to express an instruction, a wish, a blessing or a curse, a prayer or a permission. So in most of the cases, we will see that it's to give some advices and instructions. So let's see the first one. The first one, fais ton travail. It's not really a nice one, but still, it's a good illustration of this concept of an order, a command, or a demand. Fais ton travail. In that situation, the verb is faire. So as you can see, it's for the second person of the singular. Fais ton travail. If you're not really sure about the way to construct this présent de l'impératif, I really advise you to have a look at my video because I explain quite precisely how to build this présent de l'impératif. So let's have a look at the second one now. Venez avec nous au théâtre. So in that situation, of course, it's not an order, it's an invitation. But it's quite interesting because as you can see, we can use le présent de l'impératif to invite people. So of course, you're not giving an order, but you are using that to be, well, kind and nice and invite people to come with you to the theater. Venez avec nous au théâtre. So in that situation, the verb is venir. So, and you can see that it's for the vous form. Venez avec nous au théâtre. And the last one, well, look, this is the classic one. Tournez à droite pour aller à la poste. Tournez à droite pour aller à la poste. Well, this is an imperative technically, but of course you're giving some instructions. You're not giving some orders. You are helping people to try to find the post office. Tournez à droite pour aller à la poste. So let's see them one more time. The first one, the classic one. Fais ton travail. This is an order. So of course it will be présent de l'impératif. Venez avec nous au théâtre. This is an invitation. It could be an advice, but it's something that is really less strong. And the last one, tournez à droite pour aller à la poste. In that case, you're giving some instructions. And so you can use for that purpose le présent de l'impératif.